What's going on, guys? Marco Trades here. Today we are going to go over the market. Today was a national holiday, Labor Day, and our setup occurred, so let's go over that real quick. So for my setups, you want to see the two opening prices, midnight open, 8:30 open, and we had some London highs left behind. You see these relative equal highs, the market is going to want to tag that at a later time. And here's the opening bell. We extended lower straight out the opening bell into the sell side, the minor sell side liquidity that we tagged, and beneath both of our opening prices, the 8:30 open and the midnight open. Notice how we just went a tick under the midnight open. I like to see that as our signatures for this model. Then we use the 931 and 930 fair value gaps as inversion fair value gaps. And that was pretty much the setup. So let's go over the executions now on Top Step. So now we are on Top Step. As you can see, there are many executions, but this counted as just two trade only. I just pyramided on both of my trades. So let's go over that. First trade was inside this bullish order block. I failed to time it. That was a market entry, so I timed it a little bit wrong. So I entered about right here after the price made a run down into the bullish order block, which was inside this inversion fair value gap, the 930 fair value gap. And then we just went sideways, offering high resistance liquidity runs. Notice how there's no volatility in the price. Each candle is just so lethargic, and I got stopped at break even every time. The reason why I brought my stop at break even really fast is because today was a national holiday. I don't like to trade on holidays, and seeing the conditions of this morning made me really just reluctant for having a stop loss, in negative. So the market ended up reaching the target, which is right here. So the entry was at 9:40 and we reached it at 11:30. So about 2 hours later, we reached the target. And for me, 2 hours is just a little uncomfortable to be in a trade for 2 hours. So I'm really content with what I did this morning, and I do not like to trade high resistance liquidity runs, for the record. So also, if I was going to be fully honest and transparent for this video, the reason why I brought my stop loss at break even is also because there might be a little bit of fear when I entered my position. The fear that, okay, today was a national holiday. I know I'm not supposed to trade, but the model is showing up. So I'm going to put a trade on, but bring my stop loss at break even because I just don't want to lose any money on a day where I was already not supposed to trade. But because the model showed up, I took two trade, and I think that was why I considered this a break even day. So we'll be back tomorrow to see what's up in the market. But yeah, guys, that's gonna be it, and thank you for watching, and be safe. Peace.